Hey, boys and girls, here we are, day 11, November Daily Math. Write three numbers that are even. Okay. Anything that ends with a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8, or a 0, or a 2, or a 4, or a 6. You get the point, right? So let's go. 32 is even. 78 is even. 4,394 is even. Okay. Number 2. If this is 1/2, draw the whole. So you could do this a bunch of different ways. You could go this way, right? Would that be the whole? You could do it that way. Maybe you wanted to go this way. You could do it that way. You could do it that way. Any one of those ways you want. Okay. But I am going to do it this way. Like that. There. Okay. So we need to know what the number is, and then we need to know 10 less and 10 more. So first our number is how many hundreds? 1. How many tens? 2. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, what is 10 less? What's 1 less than 12? 11. And what is 1 more than 12? 13. There you go. 10 more and 10 less. All right, the area is blank square units. Okay. Gonna be a little tricky on this one because it doesn't show us all of our pieces, does it? No. I do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 3. Right? There's 5 times 3. 5, 10. There's 15 here. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't see anything here. So there's 15 and 4. That makes 19 square units. These aren't quite there. It's just a line, but it doesn't make it. Okay. If you counted them, I'd take that. That'd be fine. Maybe you're trying to pretend that all those are in there too. Hey, you know what? If you're understanding it, that's the main thing, right? Okay. Marcus wants to buy this toy robot. He has $1 bill. He has 2 quarters and 1 dime. How much more does he need? Well, I'm guessing that means he doesn't have enough, right? So he needs $2. He has $1. And he has 2 quarters, which is 50 cents. And he has 1 dime, which is 10 cents. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus nothing is 1. So he has $1.60, but he needs $2, right? So what is basically 200 minus 160? Okay, numbers the same. 0 is the game. More on the floor. Borrow from next door. 10 minus 6 is 4. So he needs 40 cents more. Okay? That was a tricky one, wasn't it? We're not used to doing problems like that. But you'll get it. All right? Excellent job with day 11, boys and girls.